Uplifting motivational stories, The Elephant and the Rope. Once upon a time, a man was walking through a camp where a group of elephants was being kept. As he walked past, he suddenly stopped, confused by the fact that these huge, powerful animals were being held by nothing more than a small rope tied to their front leg. No chains, no cages, just a simple piece of rope. It was obvious that the elephants could, at any moment, break free from their bonds. But for some reason, they didn't. The man saw a trainer nearby and asked, "Why don't these elephants just break free? They could easily do it." The trainer smiled and replied, "Well, when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to tie them. At that age, it's strong enough to hold them. As they grow up, they're conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to escape." The man was stunned. These animals could easily tear through the rope, yet because they believed they couldn't, they didn't even try. The only thing holding them back was their belief. Now take a moment and ask yourself, what's your rope? What belief is holding you back? What story have you been telling yourself for so long that it has become your prison? Maybe someone once told you, "You're not good enough. You'll never succeed. That's too risky. Don't aim too high. You're not smart, rich, pretty, strong, young enough." And somewhere along the way, you started believing it. You stopped trying, you stayed stuck, and the most heartbreaking part, the rope isn't real anymore. Just like the elephant, you have the strength, you have the power, but you've been trained to doubt yourself. But today is different. Today you see the rope, you recognize the lie, and now you have a choice. You can stay where you are, bound by an invisible limit, or you can challenge it, pull against it, and realize it was never strong enough to hold you in the first place. Every great achiever you've ever admired, whether in business, sports, art, or life. Remember, belief shapes behavior. If you believe you're stuck, you'll act stuck. But if you believe you can grow, change, and rise, you will. You're not the same person you were years ago. You're wiser now, stronger now, ready now. So take that first step, try again, apply again, speak up again, dare again, fail, and get back up again. You're not here to live small. You were born with wings. Don't let a rope of doubt keep you grounded. Break free. The world is waiting to see how high you can go.